Hi everybody. So, can you guess what this video is all about? We got some human nail clippers, a sleeping kitty cat, and those kitty claws need to be trimmed because they get pretty sharp. If you have a kitty cat, you know they can draw blood when you play with them. Don't want that to happen. So every now and then you got to cut them back. So you wait till kitty's sleeping, dreaming of his food and treats, and then very gently you take the little paw and you just squeeze it a little bit, and the little claws come out, and then you can cut it about halfway down. See that? They won't even notice it most of the time. See, cut those vicious little things. Oh, hi. Hi, Yuri. Go back to sleep. Keep dreaming of treats, food. Yeah, so it's pretty easy to do. You don't need any special kitty trimmers. You just need regular nail clippers. Cut it about halfway down, very gently, carefully, and then you'll have safe little kitty claws. That's right. Thanks for watching this video. Check out my other videos. Take care and be well. Bye-bye.